shining all around. Magic sounds begin to sound. Tony walks with happy cheer, learning letters far and near. Fun is always here. Letter I is big and bright, shining in the morning light. Tony holds it with a grin, learning now will soon begin. Let the fun come in. Apple red and shiny too, healthy snack for me and you. Tony shows it with delight, learning letters feel so right. Happy learning sight. Letter bird comes bouncing by, Tony waves and says shy. Bear is soft and cute to see, B is fun for you and me, learning joyfully. Cargo zoom upon the track, Tony rides and won't look back. Letter C is shining bright, driving feels a pure delight. Fun from left to right. Doggy wags its tail so fast, happy moments always last. Tony pets with gentle care, joy and love are everywhere. Smiles we both share. Elephant so big and kind, flappy ears and trunk so fine. Tony laughs and stands so near, Tony makes and stands so near. Learning makes it all so clear. Fun is always here. Frog jumps high with little hop, splashing water, plop, plop, plop. Tony claps and laugh, laugh, laugh. Tony claps and laughs out loud. Learning makes him feel so proud, happy in the crowd. Letters dancing in the sky, Tony waves them flying high. Magic learning all around, happiest fun ever found. Tony smiles and waves goodbye, letters shining in the sky, letters shining in the sky. Learning journey now complete, ABC is fun and sweet. Clap your hands and meet.
Blend the sounds and make a word. Tony shows what he has heard. Letters join and come alive. Learning helps our skills to thrive. Fun is now assured. B and A come together, making boss sound so clever. Tony smiles and says it loud. Learning makes him feel so proud. Smart kids learn forever. Key to A becomes a cat, Tony reads it just like that. Cute cat says a little meow, we can learn it all right now. Fun is where it's at. Duo G becomes a dog, running quickly in the fog. Tony blends the sounds with cheer, simple words are very clear. Jumping like a frog. Mix the letters, watch them spin. Make a word and let it win. Tony laughs with pure delight. Everything feels fun and bright. Learning from within. Pick the word that sounds just right. Tony plays with full delight. Choose the best and say it loud. Choose the best and say it loud. Stand up tall and feel so proud. Shining big and bright. Blend it quickly, don't be slow. Tony learns and starts to glow. Fast and fun the learning goes. Every day his knowledge grows. Watch him grow. Think about the sounds you hear. Blend them slowly, make it clear. Tony uses brain so smart. Tony uses brain so smart. Learning sounds is like an art. Success, success is very near. Master words both big and small. Tony learns and knows them all. Keep on blending every day. Words will guide you on your way. Tony waves and smiles wide. Learning always by your side. Hip, hip, hooray. I am Tony, hello my friend, learning English till the end. Words are fun, come and play. We will learn them every day. Hip, hip, hooray today. Hello, hello, how are you? I am happy, yes it's true. Wave your hands and smile bright. Learning words feels just right. Day and night with delight. Please and thank you, magic words, sweeter than the singing birds. Say them softly, say them right. Make your world so warm and bright, shining like a light. I am happy, I can say, smiling big in every way. Jump and laugh, clap your hands. Joy is easy, understand. Fun across the land. I like apples, red and sweet. Yummy, yummy, fun to eat. Healthy food makes me strong. Sing with me this happy song. Come and sing along. I can walk and I can run. Moving fast is so much fun. Step by step I go ahead. No more fear, no more dread. Forward like I said. Reading books is really cool. Learning makes me super cool. Turn the pages one by one. Knowledge time is always fun. Learning has begun. Good morning, sun, rise and shine. Learning English feels so fine. New words coming every day. We will learn them while we play. Hip, hip, hooray. Good night, moon, up so high. Stars are shining in the sky. Time to sleep and close my eyes. Dreams are full of big surprise. Dreams come true. Phonics time has just begun. Learning sounds is lots of fun. Tony shows the way to speak. Practice daily through the week. Join and have some fun. A says A, 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 loud and clear. Apple sound we love to hear. Tony points and smiles wide. Learning sounds with joyful pride. Clap and give a cheer. B says buh, ball goes bounce. Tony helps us to pronounce. Say it loud and say it right. Learning sounds is pure delight. Let your voice announce. C says cuh, cat goes meow. Tony shows us how to sound. Listen close and try again. Learning letters now and then. You can do it now. D says duh, dog says woof. Tony teaches with a proof. Say the sound and clap along. Learning makes us very strong. Learning makes us very strong. Raise the learning roof. Say it once and say again. Practice makes it easy then. Tony claps and leads the way. We can learn it every day. Fun for every friend. Pick the sound and choose it right. Tony plays with full delight. click away. Learning grows with every day, shining big and bright. Speak it fast and speak it clear. Tony shows without a fear. Letters dancing in the air, sounds are floating everywhere. Learning brings us cheer. Golden star for work so great. Tony learns and celebrates. Sounds and letters now he knows. Watch how fast his learning grows. Success will always wait. Keep on learning every day.
School time starts today. Tony walks along the way. Bag is ready, shoes are neat. Learning makes the day complete. Hip hip hooray! Say hello with smiles so bright. Greeting teachers feels so right. Tony waves with happy cheer. Kind words bring us very near. Morning full of light. Sit up straight and do it right. Learning time is shining bright. Tony listens quietly. Future looks so bright. Raise your hand before you speak. Polite manners is what we seek. Tony answers with a smile, waiting calmly all the while. Confidence we peep. Listen close and hear it well. Teacher's words have much to tell. Tony learns with focused eyes. Knowledge growing to the skies. Smartness starts to swell. Clean your class and keep it neat. Throw the trash, don't leave your seat. Tony helps and shows the way. Clean habits every day makes the place so sweet. Kindness makes the world so bright. Helping friends feels always right. Tony shares and lends a hand. Best friend in the land. Hearts are full of light. Quiet time, no need to shout. Respect is what it's about. Tony keeps his voice down.